good. It's not good. Bro, I think I'm seriously gonna watch. Don't eat fucking vegan shit.
Alright guys, welcome back to today's video. Today we are gonna try a new plant-based Burger King.
Look at the fucking
What?
packaging. Look at this shit.
It's good.
But it reminds me of broccoli, man.
It's nice. Broccoli is good for health.
Tu khata hai?
No.
Man, shut the fuck up.
What do you want to try first? Nuggets, burger? This thing?
I wanna go home.
Bro, this is a good video idea. Just, do it. Please.
That passes are bro, why don't you give this much money to charity, bro?
Bro, charities are fake.
Harry, it's my
We have the nuggets. Man, this thing is hard to open, man. We have the nuggets. We have the Whopper. You know, they say Whopper. And we have the Royale.
America जाने के लिए तैयार है. Bro, this looks like pakoda.
This nuggets, bro. This is how nuggets look. What? What do you want to try first?
Nuggets. Let's try small, then big.
Okay.
It's like you and me.
So you're small and big.
you and
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. That's good. No, it's fine. Oh. Oh. Again. No, I just tasted it. Oh, it's this. What happened?
Bro, can you please bring it?
It's in the fridge. I totally could get it.
Fucking stop it.
Well, it's fine. The initial taste is good.
No, initial taste. Who cares about the initial taste?
The aftertaste is kind of shit, guys. But I'd eat it.
Bro, I think I'm seriously gonna vomit. Vomit only feeling on it.
So what do you want to try? Royale or Whopper? Let's try Royale first. Bro, you want to do the thing? You could take one bite at the same time. Come on, bro. For the sake of the video. You take a bite first.
Bro, just cut it in half, man.
Nah, bro, it's fine, bro. I don't have a knife.
खुदा ने हाथ क्यों दिया हुआ है?
Bro, what the fuck? You haven't taken shit. There's nothing. It's just the bun and the fucking leaf is there. That's what I'm saying. Eat properly. No, you need to eat it properly. Come on, eat this. Come on, for the sake of humanity. Come on, bro. It's good.
This one's fine.
It's good.
It's not good.
But you would have it to save global warming, right?
No.
Come on,
Fuck
bro.
global warming. Fuck the animals. Fuck the turtles. Fuck everything. They should all die for us. I don't care. It's fine. Say it's better than this. It's better than the nuggets.
This is good. I would recommend.
No, no recommendation. No.
I would recommend.
Bro, do you eat chicken every day?
No.
I eat chicken every
Because
day.
chicken is shit.
Protein,
You should not eat chicken.
Protein,
You need to save chicken's
protein.
lives.
No, fuck chicken.
Okay, would you?
उनका क्या purpose?
Okay, okay.
उनका purpose क्या? Purpose is.
What is the purpose of
eaten
cats?
by, huh?
Would you kill your cat and eat it?
Yes.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Chill, bro. All yours. Hey, it looks fine, man.
No, I'm gonna remove the tomato.
Yeah, tomato. Nobody likes tomato. So that's pickle, bro.
I don't eat pickle as well.
What do you eat?
Chicken. So have you seen the latest news in Kuwait? The government is paying like 30,000 KD or stuff to poison the cats and dogs, bro.
Good. Not dogs, just cats. Fuck the cats.
So you would eat a cat as
I
well?
wouldn't eat a cat. I would just kill it and I'd watch it like die.
So अच्छा ये सही है, but chicken को मारना सही नहीं है.
No.
ये बात.
Because chickens have life, bro.
So do cats.
Cats don't have life. Cats don't have feelings, bro.
Even I don't have feelings, bro.
Alright, bro. That means it's good.
Why does this taste actual beef?
This plant-based.
ये सही है.
You would eat it. You would go and order it.
No.
You would recommend.
Recommend maybe.
Wait, let me try.
Bro, don't eat your god, bro.
Bro, it's plant-based. Bro, relax.
I'm telling. Suck that cock. Bro, the nugget is fucking awful. कैसा?
I think this is better. The Royale.
तू beef नहीं खाता ना इतना इसलिए.
Fine. I don't know it.
Bro, I'd say this is like 8. No, not 8. 7.5. The Royale is 6. This fucking minus. I don't give a fuck. This tastes actually. This actually tastes like beef. Yeah.
Bro, then it's a scam then. Maybe they're saying plant-based and selling.
See, bro?
You shouldn't eat beef, bro. Beef is God, you know. Would you eat this again?
No. I wanna eat the chicken, bro.
You guys stay vegetarian.
No, don't stay vegetarian. for like
Guys,
pussy
global
people.
warming.
Only pussy people. Only pussy people.
Global
eat.
warming, bro.
Just destroy all this fucking shitty vegan.
But bro, vegan is good.
No, it's not. See, bro, you need protein, bro.
Bro, protein is not unnecessary. Overrated, bro.
Biomin
Overrated.
I need to.
It's overrated. You need to eat leaves. What? Leaves are good.
How do you actually say this with confidence, bro?
Because it's true, bro. Have you ever gone to that tree over there and just like looked at that leaf and being like, I wanna eat the shit out of you?
बकरा नहीं हूँ
So you're not the goat. I'm the goat.
This is why you don't have a girlfriend, na?
Bro, you don't have a girlfriend either.
I don't try, na. Bro, there were so many openings yesterday, na, to get into girls' DMs, but I just like
From where?
Instagram, bro.
How, bro? How do you get?
Natural.
Alright guys, that's it for today's vlog. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like, comment, share. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time. That was so dumb, like so dumb.